I think both are very important. And I think it's a mistake if you assume that you could maintain innovation internally only. I think developing new technologies internally is what every company is driven by. However, I also believe that sometimes it's safer to outsource elements of the innovation as long as it's correlating to the general direction that you're taking. And that means I'm in favor of maintaining majority of your innovation and development in-house, but you will also need certain amounts of contribution from external side. As a startup, you will ultimately focus on the short-term goals to get to the next level. Hence, you will not be as distracted, right? Very few investors will allow you a long run rate anyway. So I think it's more turning it against an investor. How will you as an investor enable a company to think longer term? And that longer term has to be based on a business plan that started out and then adjusting that business plan. But at the end of the day, this is not so much a company problem as it is an investor problem. And most companies will in early stage live from hand to mouth from the perspective that they are not funded more than 1 or 2 years ahead. I think a business plan, first and foremost, is a digital exercise that once you finalize it, you can't really use it for a lot. And that means, if you bring out a technology, that business plan should include the entire potential. It should almost take a TAM approach to it. And then I think after you've done that, then you will adopt your business plan to the response in the market. So in a business plan, I would absolutely take the full potential of the product, because otherwise you start to too early discount for other elements that you can't understand at the early stage of the technology. And without that, then the attractiveness of the potential business of this technology will not be opened up. If you're pitching to an investor, you have to show the full potential, and then the investor will ultimately discount for some of it. And if it's a smart investor with trust in you and vice versa, you will jointly do a discount afterwards. But unless you show the entire opportunity and the entire market potential, then you're upfront discounting the potential value of it.